Hi, I'm Sarah Beecroft. I work at the Pawsey Supercomputing Centre and I've been helping Australian scientists tackle COVID-19 research using high-performance computing and our cloud computing facilities.
So we'll dive straight into the first question. So that talks about how does your centre work to solve the COVID-19 problem?
Okay. Well, I think the main thing has been accelerating access to our facilities. So researchers who are working on COVID-19 have been able to get prioritised access to our cloud and high-performance computing resources. They've also had accelerated access to Pawsey's expert teams in case they've needed any help getting set up or optimising their workflows, anything like that. In March, when COVID hit, Pawsey responded quickly with an accelerated access program in collaboration with the National Computational Infrastructure, which is Australia's other supercomputing facility. So this program gave immediate access to high-end computing and expert assistance from Pawsey staff or any researchers working on COVID-19.
Do you have any examples of the projects that are leading the subject?
We have multiple projects from researchers across Australia using our systems such as the Topaz GPU cluster, as well as the Nimbus cloud service to accelerate their COVID-19 research. An example would be the molecular modelling of the COVID-19 virus to find a vulnerability to allow development of drugs or a vaccine. There's also a web tool that has been developed to optimise the amount of work that can be done when processing COVID-19 data.
How has HPC enabled and accelerated their research?
The Australian researchers are tackling this problem from all sorts of different directions, including looking at virus lineages, understanding COVID-19 protein structure, and developing different treatments. These resources have been allocated outside in addition to their pre-existing pre-COVID allocations, which means they can really focus on this current work and accelerate their research, which is critical because time is of the essence in fighting a pandemic.
As we are in a pandemic, the sharing of knowledge and collaboration is more important than ever. So what initiatives are you involved in to help accelerate and advance COVID-19 research?
So the Accelerated Access Program is a joint collaborative effort between Pawsey and the National Compute Infrastructure, which is the other supercomputing centre in Australia. So, for example, one user was able to benefit by using both NCI and Pawsey at the same time to really make the most of this research. Because of this highly collaborative effort, both centres were invited to join the prestigious White House Consortium. So this is led from the United States, but it's a global effort from supercomputing centres around the world to fight the COVID-19 problem.